everyone and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, it's been a month. I've been trying to plan videos but it just hasn't been happening. But today is the perfect opportunity as it is a vlogging day. We are going to not the nearest beach, the second nearest beach where I live, which is Porthcawl. But we're not going to the main beach, we're going to a hidden beach. And I thought I'd take you guys on a little adventure with me for the day. We're taking one of our dogs because the other one's a bit too old to go on this day, like hours long walk. So we're taking the one dog, which is Rolex, and yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along with me, and I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Down the beach, have some food, have a catch up. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe for future videos. I thought I'd talk to you guys about my outfit. Gone for something very simple, just a pair of skinny jeans which I haven't worn in ages, and just a simple t-shirt. I've got a hoodie pack just in case it gets cold on the beach because you never know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. We've made it to the sand dunes. See? Oh god, it's slippery to walk up mine, this guys. Oh. And now we have like an hour walk on this slipperiness to get to the beach. Okay, we've finally arrived to the beach. I got a stick ready for Rolly to chuck into the water. I hope you guys can hear me. Finally here. It's a lush beach. It's so long and just private. Look at it. It's a beautiful beach.
Must be off.
Oh my god, guys. We have found a jellyfish. But it's cocooned. Meaning it's not dead, it's just there. I've never seen one like this. I've seen a jellyfish, but not like this. We just went to Vintage Whippy and got some Mr. Whippies with rainbow sprinkles and a flake. He has Instagram, so I'll try and find it to put it below. That comes to an end to my video. There's not much more to show you guys. I was hoping to end it in the car, but with the light and the noise it just wasn't worth it. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I've really wanted to do a day out vlog like this, something a bit more exciting, a bit more different. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a like. If you really liked it, don't forget to subscribe for future videos on my channel. And to get notifications when I post videos, hit that bell notification and you'll get notifications when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!